YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you. Look, y'all know the routine by now, right? Well, if you don't, go ahead, hit that like button. Tell a friend and tell a friend. That means share this video, as well as you want to become a part of this movement, go ahead, subscribe. You never know, we're going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heating content. Today is Monday. Gonna hop right into it. Everybody know what's going on by now. We on lockdown mode. I want everybody to be safe. You know what we say around here. I usually end with it, but I really need y'all to be strong, be safe, wash your hands, do what they tell you to do for right now until we hear otherwise. That's out the way. I'm finna unbox some heat. No, for unboxing heat, man, shout out to Tool and Nest, man. You see the fit I got on. Tool and Nest, currency exchange. We gonna hop right into this bag right now. Before I hop into the shoes, don't go nowhere, gang. I got some heat for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for opening up for the kid too as well. Around this time, all the malls, everything is closed. So I had to go ahead and grab some merch. Your boy's birthday is next Sunday. Well, this Sunday coming up, April the 12th, Easter Sunday. So I had to go ahead and get right. Don't go nowhere. I'm gonna show you what this bag is about. Gonna hop into this t-shirt, you know. I tell you, boy, green, your boy favorite color, as you can tell. Gonna open this up, man. See what we got. You know what I can wear this with? I got the pine greens. Sheesh. Presentation already good. Let me tell you that now. We got Deep Sea on the front. Currency collector on the back. Currency collector on the front. Sheesh, like this, man, all the way out. Y'all know what I say, man. Y'all can speed it up, slow it down, zoom in if you like. Tool and Nest. Your boy got an extra large. I love the money logo. Then you know with green being my favorite color, man, I had to. I was on gold mode. I had to go get it. We got one shirt. So now I'm gonna hop into the bag. You know, your boy be on the road, man. Me and my wife and the kids, we be traveling. Your boy got 4 daughters, so I be having my phones, they phones, tablets, devices. I thought this bag here was clutch. In my opinion, kind of got that off-white vibe. You know what I'm saying? That Supreme vibe, man. I see what's going on with this one. You see, got Tool and Nest. I just like the whole bag. Don't worry, you know your boy gonna give you a go around on each item that I purchased so you can see it. I'm gonna leave the description below to let you know where I purchased this from, where we purchased this from. A lot of pockets. It's like 5 compartments, man. Tool and Nest currency collector. Sheesh. Once again, you see that green, that theme. So we're gonna hop into this bag. We still going into the bag. What was that? Okay. Once again, love the presentation. Give you the Ziploc bag. Big boy bag, reusable bag too. Reusable bag. Tool and Nest, I see you. This boy got some jeans. I'm gonna rock these. Stay tuned. Y'all follow the kid and me and Maddie on Instagram. You never know. Might be on foot, might wake the dead. When we say waking the dead around here, that means putting on that heat, man. Undead stocking some of y'all shoes. Some of these products, man. Once again, another hoodie, Tool and Nest. I got an idea with this one. Y'all stay tuned on Instagram. This one here nasty. This one here nasty. I love the colorway on this one. Nice hoodie. Quality material once again, man. Everything is like, he brand. They brand themselves, man. That company over there, they brand themselves. I appreciate good quality. The embroidery on the back, the embroidery on the front, like, sheesh. Nice, as y'all can see, I got the fit on right now, man, comfortable. What else we got in the bag, man? Oh, yeah, you see, this how you bless somebody, man. We got stickers on deck, Tool and Nest stickers. We got keychains, magnets as well, currency collectors. Y'all see what's going on. This might be my favorite one. This Tool and Nest right here, this keychain here. So y'all see what's going on here on this channel. We're gonna keep hitting y'all over the head. I done buried the shoe now. Now it's time to get back to the shoes, man. Look, this is the shoe channel. You know what your boy tell you. Size 8. Sheesh. You don't know what this is? It ain't dropped yet. It's dropping. It come out this Thursday, Friday, maybe Thursday or Friday, depending. It's gonna be online. You know how me and Maddie do. We try to get everything first for the early reviews, man. Shout out to the plug. We got the mid, the Jordan 1 mids. Dope colorway, in my opinion. They not the Melody, which I call them, the Melody Ashantis. True indeed, it don't have the watch on the front, but still a nice dope colorway coming up for the spring. Toe box. Let's get into it, man. You know how we do, man. Hold on, let me talk to y'all, man. Toe box. Nice toe box, man. I'm not even gonna hold y'all up. Toe box, crispy. Coming up here, you got the purple, the red stitching, patent leather check, patent leather coming up here where the shoestrings go in. Coming up, you got kind of like that honeycomb look, the yellow, kind of like that Sean Witherspoon look, if y'all know what I mean by the Air Max. Coming on the back, they give you soft look on the back. They give you that Kermit the Frog look, that rough look, digging that. You got the suede nubuck material coming up. My opinion, y'all let me know, leave a comment like a burnt orange or a dusty peach. Once again, my wife's favorite color, you got that purple popping. Coming out, you got that Nike logo. Look, I know it's a mid, don't trip out. Your boy rock whatever. Your collection is your collection. Just wanted to bring y'all this. We got extra laces on deck. You know how your boy, yeah, we got extra laces on deck. You know the kid got a lace fetish, man. So Jordan bag, got the Jordan logo. You got purple with the yellow laces. And you see why. And then you just want to go plain, they give you the white laces. Pretty much the same shoe. I'm not gonna go over it. Hold on, let me show you something right here on the shoelace lock. Got that Jordan branding on it. Make sure that's coming up. So look, we here to bring y'all that. Once again, shout out to Tula Ness for the fit, for opening up, you know, the store, letting the kid come in and shop. Look, everybody, if you don't know on Instagram, me, the Shoe Butler, the Retro Gang, the family, we be doing giveaways. We call it the stimulus package. Look, we always say we ain't trying to offend nobody, but if you want to go ahead and enter, follow us on Instagram. The posts we put up gonna be self-explanatory. If you want to enter, we be doing $50 giveaways. We shot people the other day, yesterday. We do it every Sunday until further notice. We actually end up giving, we let some money fly for people that need it. And we appreciate y'all for pulling up on us as usual. You know what your boy saying around here. This is your boy Retro Rick for Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. We love y'all. Stay strong. Y'all be safe out here, man. Don't let nobody trick y'all. Let's go. We out.
Yeah. Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. Yo, Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah. Cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If you scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro, yo, he with the shit. Check out the channel, which full of content. Now he kicks and shit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam. Double strong, mighty they stand. Like you launching the 80 the man. Pull up in the old school. Better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hops out, all they can say is look at the shoes. Give it back to the peaks. That brother paying his dues. Getting left by the best. So how can he lose? Drip gang, Retro gang, and Maddie Kicks. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, Retro gang, and Maddie Kicks. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, Retro gang, and Maddie Kicks. Keeping it lit, man. Drip gang, Retro gang, and Maddie Kicks. Keeping it lit, man.